I am ready with my next video, and this time the video is again on mathematics. Problems based on theorems in class 10. We are going to solve some problems that are based on theorems which we have already studied. Explanation of theorems is done in previous videos, and in my last video I summarized all the theorems and I taught you, I explained you possible results also related to those theorems. Now let's solve problems. These are the problems that came in exam. Here I am solving few problems that came in exam. You can find more problems in textbook in your reader and you can solve them. Let's start with this problem. The problem is, in the given figure, triangle POQ is similar to triangle SOR. Triangle POQ, this one, triangle POQ is similar to triangle SOR. POQ is similar to SOR. It means P and S are corresponding vertices. P and S are corresponding vertices. O is common vertex. It is here. O is common vertex. And Q is corresponding to R. Q is corresponding to R. Q and R are corresponding vertices. Now, we have already seen these two are similar. It means their corresponding angles are equal. These two triangles are similar. It means their corresponding angles will be equal. Angle P is equal to angle S. Angle O is equal to angle O. Angle Q is equal to angle R. Similar triangles, there are two conditions. One, their corresponding angles are equal, and second, their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. It means if you write the corresponding sides here, it means this side, first OP will be corresponding to OS. OP and OS, see the first two letters here. So OP side is corresponding to OS. They are corresponding sides. And second letter and third letter OQ is corresponding to OR. OQ is corresponding to OR. OQ side is corresponding to OR. And first letter and last letter. See the first letter and last letter. PQ. This side will be corresponding to see the first and last letter here. SR. PQ is corresponding to SR. Now these are corresponding sides. So their ratios must be same. According to SSS criterion, if two triangles are equiangular, if the corresponding angles of two triangles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio and the two triangles are similar. Here it is clearly given that these two are similar triangles. If these two are similar triangles, then their corresponding angles must be equal. I have shown you already in figure. And their corresponding sides must have the same ratio. It means OP divided by OS. OP and OS are corresponding sides must be equal to OQ divided by OR. OQ divided by OR. Corresponding sides must be equal to PQ divided by SR. PQ divided by SR. Corresponding sides ratio OP by OS is a ratio OP is to OS. OQ divided by OR means OQ is to OR. PQ divided by SR means PQ is to SR. Now here in the question, this ratio is given. PQ is to RS. PQ is to means by, divided by PQ by RS. PQ by RS. Here it is. PQ by RS. PQ divided by RS. It means it is same as PQ is to SR. Divide means is to. In place of divide, you can use is to. So this ratio is given. It is 1:2, and they are asking us to find the value of this ratio. OP is to OS. OP is to OS. This they are finding. But we know that these two ratios are same. So if this is 1:2, if PQ is to RS is 1:2, if this is 1:2, then it is equal to this. This must also be 1:2. Here options are given. See, 1:2, 2:1, 3:1, 1:3. So which is the correct one? Of course, A option is correct. This is the right answer. This is the right answer. Because these two triangles are similar. So according to SSS criterion, ratios of corresponding sides must be same. So if this ratio is 1:2, this ratio must also be 1:2. So A answer is correct. This question is based on SSS criterion. This theorem I have explained, and in my previous video I gave you the results also, right? This type of result I have shown you in previous video, and figure is also there. I hope you understand the question. Now let's move on to next question. Let's move on to our next question. Next question is, these questions came in board exam. These questions already came in board exam. I have chosen only the ones many times, 4 or 5 times. That will make you perfect in this question, as well as it will help you in other questions. Okay, now let's do the next thing. Here is a question. According to this question, there is a pole or there is a tower, and the length of tower is not given. Length of tower is not given. The length of its shadow is given. Sun is shining, so definitely the tower will have a shadow. The length of the shadow is 28 centimeters. The length of the shadow is 28 centimeters. This is the length of the shadow of the pole. Shadow of the pole, because of the sun. Shadow is falling. Shadow is coming, right? So the tower has 28 centimeter length of shadow. Now one more pole is there. There is a pole. There is a pole. There is a pole. The length of the pole is 6 meters. Sorry, meters. It is in meters. Sorry, it is in meters. Meters, not centimeter. Meters. 6 meters. Now they are asking, and the length of the pole is also given. That is 4 meters. Length of the pole is 4 meters. 6 meters is the length of the pole, and 4 meters is the length of the shadow of the pole. Shadow of tower is 28. Now they are asking us to find the length of the pole. Sorry, tower. Suppose AB is tower and CD is pole. Now they are asking us to find AB, which is the length of, this is the height of tower. Right? Now, do one thing, join these 2 points. This will go like this. Right? Join it. This point is C here. Imagine this point is E. Now, we have 2 triangles here. We have 2 triangles. Triangle ABE, triangle ABE, and triangle ABE, and triangle CDE. triangles are similar. Reason, we have one right angle here, we have one right angle here. This triangle, big triangle has one right angle and the small triangle has one right angle. Angle E is common. Angle E, which is present in triangle AEB, big triangle, E is also present in small triangle. So E is common angle. So common angle means it is the same angle which is present in both. So it will be equal, right? So angle E is also equal. Two angles are equal. B and B, and E is common, which is also equal. So if two angles are equal, then third remaining angle, these two will also be equal. In two triangles, if two angles are equal, then third will be definitely equal. Right? You have to remember this. Now, in these two triangles, corresponding angles are equal. If their corresponding angles are equal, then according to SSS criterion, their corresponding sides must be in the same ratio and the two triangles must be similar. So their corresponding, they must have, these two are similar. These two triangles are similar. So their corresponding sides must be in the same ratio. So AB divided by CD, corresponding sides. AB is corresponding to CD because angle A is equal to C, B is equal to D, and E is common, which is present in both. E is common. Now, so then will be equal to BE. Take the second and third letter. BE divided by, here also take the second and third letter. DE will be equal to AE. First and last letter. AE divided by, here also take the third, first and last letter. CE. That will become automatically corresponding, right? They are corresponding. Here we have to find AB. So we have to take this ratio. Because AB we have to find AB divided by CD. I am taking this ratio because what I have to find, AB, the height of the tower, is present in this one, right? Divided by CD. CD will be equal to, now do not take AE and CE. Do not take AE and CE. Why AE and CE are not taken? This ratio will not use. Why will not use? Because AE and CE, the lengths are not given and we do not have to find them also. So this ratio is not useful. It is useless for us. In solving this problem, this last ratio is useless. So we will use these two only. So AB divided by CD is equal to BE divided by DE. BE divided by DE. Now, AB, do we know the length of AB? No, we have to find. AB is height of tower. AB is height of tower. We have to find. CD, do we know the length of CD? Yes, we know. It's 6 meters. 6 is equal to. Do we know BE? BE, yes, we know. It's given 28. 28 meters divided by. Do we know DE? Do we know DE? DE, yes, we know. DE is shadow of pole, right? That is 4 meters. Now, cross multiply. AB is equal to 28 divided by 4 into 6. Take 6 here to the right hand side. That is cross multiply. It will multiply, right? It is in divide here, that will go in multiplication. Now, simplify this. We can cancel here. 4 7s are 28. 4 times 7 is 28. Right? So AB is equal to 7 6 are 42. 42 meters. 42 divided by 1 will be there. 1 you can leave. Any number divided by 1 is same number. 42 divided by 1 will be 42 only. So 7 times 6 is 42. 7 6 are 42. So 42 meters is the height of the tower. We got the height of the tower, right? Which is asked in the question. They gave us to find height of tower. Length of shadow was given, and height of the pole was given, and shadow of the pole was also given. So 4 out of 4 quantities, 3 quantities were given, 1 we had to find. So we found it. This is how we use. Again here, SSS criterion is used, right? Okay, let's move on to next problem. our next problem is also the problem that came in previous board exam. And the problem is, a figure is given, triangle ABC, and DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. Now here length of AD is 5 units, 5 centimeter or 5 inches or 5 meter, whatever it may be. AD is 5 units and DB is given, which is 7 units, and AE we have to find. And then AC is given. AC, this full length is given. How much is that? It's 18. It's 18, right? Now, you must have understood, I hope you might have understood, that this is based on BPT, basic proportionality theorem, that is Thales theorem. Now, according to Thales theorem, in a triangle, if a line is drawn parallel to one side, of the triangle, here B is the parallel line which is drawn parallel to BC side of the triangle, right? B is drawn parallel to BC. So what happens in such case? The other two sides get divided in the same ratio. This we have seen. It means I wrote the results also. Do you remember here AD divided by DB will be equal to AD divided by DB will be equal to AE divided by EC divided by EC, AE divided by EC, part divided by part is equal to part divided by part. This I have explained. Or we wrote some more results. I told you you can take the full length also, AB. With full length you can take the lower part, DB is equal to, will be equal to, here I have taken AB, so this side I have to take AC. In place of AB we have to take AC. Here I have taken the lower part, DB. I have taken not upper part, but lower part, DB. So DB, here I have to take EC, the lower part. This is also true. Or you can take the full length AB. With full length AB, you can take upper part AD. So if I take AB and AD in this side, so in this side I have to take AC full length, just like AB here, AC here, and here I have taken AD, the upper one. So here I have to take the upper part, that is AE, the upper part. We have done these results, I have shown you, right? Now, think which one will be useful here. Do we have this part here? No. So if I take part by part equal to part by part, that will be little complicated. We can do, but it will be little complicated. Which one will be better? See, we have the full length here, AB, that is 5 plus 7, that will be 12. And we know the upper part, 5. Here also take the full length AC, 18 divided by upper part. So full length divided by upper part, this will be useful. This result will be useful here in solving this problem. What is that? AB full length divided by the upper part AD. Why I am taking upper part AD? Because here I need AE, which I have to find. Right? So that will be AC full length divided by AE. Now, do we know AB? Yes, we know AB. 5 plus 7. AB will be 5 plus 7, right? Full length, that will be 12 divided by AD. It is 5, will be equal to AC. Do we know AC? Yes, it is given 18. AC is 18 divided by AE. Do we know AE? No, we have to find. Yes, out of 4 quantities, 3 are given. 1 we have to find. That's very easy, right? Cross multiply, take AE here and these two to the other side. If you take AE here, it will go to the numerator. AE will be equal to 18 into 5. 5 will go there, and 12 will come in the denominator, right? Now we can solve 6 2s are 6 3s are, and AE will be equal to 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 3 is 18, right? 5 times 3, 3 times 5, 3 5s are 15 divided by 2. So AE will be equal to 15 divided by 2, half of 15, that will be 7.5 units. Because here unit is not mentioned, so I am not mentioning the unit here. Just write units. That unit may be centimeter, meter, inch, whatever it is. Okay? So we got this answer also. We solved the next problem as well. Right? Now, we have solved some problems. Some more problems are there, which I will solve in next video. I want you to watch the video carefully, and the problems which I have solve them many times in your practice book and try to answer the other questions that are in the book and related to the same. Thank you for watching.